In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze a column in Notion. If you've ever been working in a Notion database and noticed that one of your columns stays fixed in place while the others scroll, that means the column is frozen. This can be really helpful for keeping important information, like a name or a key identifier, always visible. But sometimes you might want to remove that behavior so all your columns scroll together normally. That's exactly what we're going to walk through now. Go ahead and open the Notion page that contains the database you're working with. This could be a table-style database inside a page, or a full-page database. Make sure you're in the view where you can see the column that's currently frozen. You'll know a column is frozen if it stays pinned to the left side while you scroll horizontally through other columns. To start, move your mouse to the top of the frozen column, where the property name is displayed. This is the header area of the column, where you see the title like name, status, or whatever you've called that property. Hover over that header until you see a small drop-down arrow or a menu indicator appear next to the property name. This is the control you'll use to change settings for that particular column. Once you see that menu indicator, click directly on the property name or on the little arrow next to it. This opens the property menu for that column. In this menu, Notion gives you options related to the column, such as editing the property, changing its type, or adjusting how it behaves in the database. Look carefully through this menu for an option called Unfreeze. This option only appears if the column is currently frozen, so if you see Unfreeze, you're in the right place. Go ahead and click on Unfreeze. As soon as you do that, the column will no longer be locked in place. You can check that it worked by scrolling horizontally through your database. The column that was previously stuck on the left should now move along with all the other columns. If you ever want to freeze it again, you can return to the same property menu and look for the freeze option. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the property name and choosing Unfreeze, you can quickly return your Notion database to a fully scrollable layout.